What if I told you you could start making $100 a day online without a degree, a boss, or even getting out of bed? Sounds lazy? It is, and that's the point. In this video, I'll reveal the laziest, beginner-friendly ways to make money online that actually work in 2025. No tech skills, no talking on camera, no hype, just results. Let's dive in. Faceless YouTube cash cow channels. One of the most powerful and passive ways to make money online in 2025 is by creating faceless YouTube channels, often referred to as cash cow channels. Unlike traditional YouTube creators who need to show their face, film high-quality videos, and be charismatic on camera, faceless YouTube channels allow you to generate content using AI-generated voices, stock footage, and script-writing tools. These videos are usually about trending or evergreen topics like motivation, finance, celebrity facts, or technology. The beauty of this method is that you can remain completely anonymous and never even touch a camera. You can use ChatGPT or similar AI tools to write compelling scripts. Then pair those scripts with voiceover services like 11 Labs, Murphy.ai, or Speech-a-Lo. Finally, drop everything into a video editor like Pictory or Canva, and boom, you've got a monetizable video. Once your channel is monetized through YouTube's partner program, you earn every time someone watches an ad on your video. Channels in high CPM niches like tech, investing, or luxury can earn between $5 to $25 per 1,000 views. With consistency, it's absolutely possible to earn $100 or more in a single day without ever showing your face. Print on demand without any design skills. Imagine earning money by selling t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without ever touching inventory, handling shipping, or even designing anything from scratch. That's exactly what print-on-demand (POD) allows you to do. With POD, you create simple product designs and upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Etsy, connected with Printful or Printify, or Teespring. When someone places an order, the fulfillment partner prints and ships the item directly to the customer. You simply collect a profit margin on each sale. The lazy beauty of POD is that you don't need to be a designer. With tools like Canva, Kittl, or even ready-made assets from Creative Fabrica, you can create simple text-based designs with popular slogans, memes, or motivational quotes. For example, a shirt that says "Dog Mom" or "I need coffee first" can sell dozens of units if it hits the right audience. You can even repurpose trending phrases on TikTok or Instagram Reels into product ideas. A single shirt might earn you $5, $10 profit. Sell just 10 a day and you've hit your $100 goal without lifting a finger after setup. Affiliate marketing with Quora and Reddit. Affiliate marketing remains one of the most lucrative ways to make money online, and it gets even better when you combine it with platforms like Quora or Reddit. The idea is simple: promote someone else's product using a unique referral link, and when someone buys or sometimes just clicks or signs up, you get a commission. The lazy way to do this is by answering questions or joining discussions on high-traffic websites where your target audience is already searching for solutions. For example, you can sign up with affiliate platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24 and find products in niches like fitness, tech, dating, or finance. Then use ChatGPT to generate well-written answers to common questions on Quora. You paste these into relevant threads, adding your affiliate link in a natural, non-spammy way. Reddit works similarly. You find subreddits related to the product and share your experience or recommendation. Subtly, with this method, you could make $20 or $100 per sale. By planting multiple money seeds across different platforms, you can generate ongoing commissions daily. Selling digital products on Gumroad. Selling digital products is one of the easiest, laziest, and most scalable online businesses. Platforms like Gumroad allow you to sell ebooks, templates, printables, planners, and more without ever worrying about inventory or delivery. You create the product once, upload it, and let Gumroad handle the rest, including payment processing and file delivery. If you're not a writer, no problem. Use ChatGPT to generate ebooks on topics like productivity, budgeting, self-improvement, or fitness. You can also use Canva to design Notion templates, budget spreadsheets, or aesthetic printable planners. With tools like Creative Fabrica or PLR, private label rights, websites, you can even buy rights to ready-made content and repurpose it. All you have to do is drive traffic to your Gumroad store using Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, or even TikTok. Most digital products sell between $5 to $30, and with just 4 Fiav sales a day, you're hitting 100 PUs without lifting a finger after publishing. Copy-paste freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. You don't need to be a high-level expert to start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Many people are earning hundreds of dollars per day by offering basic services, often created with the help of free or low-cost AI tools. This copy-paste freelancing approach involves offering services like article writing, resume creation, voiceovers, translation, and video scripts using tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Canva. Let's say you offer a gig to write blog posts. A client requests a 1,000-word article on productivity. You prompt ChatGPT to create a well-structured piece, lightly edit it, and deliver it within hours. The client pays you $25 or more. Do this a few times a day and you're easily earning $100 plus. This method allows you to scale fast, especially if you develop templates for repeat tasks. You don't need to be particularly skilled, you just need to be organized and prompt in delivery. Amazon KDP Publishing for passive income. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing KDP platform is a goldmine for lazy entrepreneurs. It allows you to publish books without needing to be a professional writer or graphic designer and earn royalties for years. The easiest form of KDP publishing is low-content or no-content books, like journals, planners, coloring books, and activity books. These require little to no writing and can be created quickly using tools like BookBolt, Tangent templates, and Canva. You can create a 120-page gratitude journal or a fitness tracker in under an hour, upload it to KDP, and set your royalty. When someone buys it on Amazon, you get paid. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Some creators build large catalogs of low-content books and earn passive income every single day. At $2 to $7 royalty per sale, just 15 daily sales is enough to hit or exceed the $100 day mark. And it keeps going even when you're not working. AI-generated blogging on Medium. Medium.com is a platform where writers get paid based on how many people read and engage with their articles. What makes this platform ideal for lazy beginners is that you don't need to build a website or grow an audience from scratch. If you can write or copy-paste with AI, you can earn. You simply write articles on popular topics like productivity, personal finance, self-growth, and tech, then let Medium's audience discover and read them. To make things easier, use ChatGPT to generate content ideas and write full articles. Then format them for Medium, add relevant tags, and publish consistently. If you join the Medium Partner Program, you'll get paid every time someone reads your post. Some writers with just 10-20 articles earn $500, $1,000 a month passively. Once you have a backlog of published work, the daily earnings can easily hit $100 or more, especially when a piece goes viral. Lazy email list building with PLR products. Building an email list is one of the most powerful long-term strategies for lazy online income. Once you have people on your list, you can promote affiliate products, sell your own digital goods, or launch new offers, all without spending more time or effort. The fastest and easiest way to build a list is by giving away a free ebook, checklist, or template in exchange for someone's email address. To save time, you can buy pre-written PLR products, ebooks, courses, planners from platforms like PLR.me, Big Product Store, or IDPLR. Then use a free landing page builder like System.ia or MailerLite to collect emails. Once you've collected leads, set up an automated email sequence that promotes related affiliate offers or your own Gumroad products. With each email generating $1, $3 a month in revenue, it doesn't take much to get to $100 per day, and best of all, it runs on autopilot. TikTok TCPA marketing. No selling required. CPA, cost per action marketing, is one of the easiest ways to earn money online without selling anything. You get paid when someone takes a specific action, like entering their email, downloading an app, or filling out a form. The laziest method to make CPA work is by creating viral or semi-viral short videos on TikTok. You don't even need to appear on camera. You can use text, voiceovers, trending sounds, or even repost memes. Here's how it works. You join a CPA network like OG Ads, Max Bounty, or CP Grip. Then pick a high-converting offer, e.g. win a $500 Amazon gift card. You create a TikTok that gets people curious or excited, and in your bio, you link to your CPA landing page. Every time someone clicks or submits their email, you get paid $1, $5. Just 25-50 conversions a day can push you over the $100 day threshold. This method is especially great because it's visual, fast, and highly scalable. Answering questions on Just Answer or Study Pool. If you're more intellectually inclined, or just enjoy helping people, answering questions on paid platforms can be an extremely lazy way to earn. Sites like Just Answer, Presto Experts, and Study Pool pay users to help others solve problems, whether it's giving legal advice, helping with schoolwork, or even answering basic lifestyle questions. There's money to be made. And the best part? You can answer from your phone or laptop while lying in bed. On Study Pool, for instance, students upload questions they need help with and you get paid to assist. Depending on complexity, you can earn $5–20 per answer. On Just Answer, if you're a qualified expert, even in general categories like auto repair, tech, or wellness, you can earn $2,000 to $7,000 a month answering user questions. It's flexible, low effort, and doesn't require building a business from scratch. So now you've seen 10 lazy ways to make money online. No hustle culture, no overnight scams, just real strategies that pay. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense money tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lazy income idea. Remember, working smart always beats working hard. See you in the next one.